Good morning. We are starting week number 3. I am in my office today. Last week you had your first practical practice assignment. I'm getting ready to start grading those this morning. It's Wednesday at 9:12 a.m. and I'll start looking at those. If there were any issues with your upload, I will let you know. If you didn't do it, I don't accept late assignments. It's closed now. But if there was a specific issue with the way your document was uploaded, I will let you know. That practical practice covered everything we've studied thus far. So it covered rates, it covered unit rates, it covered proportions, and it covered ratios. And so that's just kind of a review of what we've done thus far on MyOpenMath. I also had a Collaborate session last week. I'm going to try to alternate discussion board weeks and Collaborate session weeks. I'm not going to commit to that yet. I'm not great at Collaborate. If you watched it, you saw there were some kind of like technical kinks in it, but I'm working on that. If you have any feedback about a Collaborate session, I'm going to try to change the time so that it's not the same time every week, and hopefully you can participate. But you can always watch the Collaborate session whether you were able to join us live or not. This week, you have a discussion board on unit rates. It's very, very specific. Please look at my example before you make your own post. Okay, because I have a very specific organized example and you should follow that for your own. We also have a rounding decimals practice page this week. You're not going to submit that to me, but you need to practice it. You need to know how to round. MyOpenMath is pretty specific. And if you don't know how to round accurately, you're going to be missing some problems. That was just a simple rounding mistake. And then we're starting percentages this week. This is the number one most important topic in this entire class. You will use percentages almost every chapter from now until May. We start this week with the basics, and then next week we'll go a little bit deeper. But percentages are really, really, really important. I teach percentages a very specific way, which you'll see in my videos. There are other ways to do percentage problems, but I cannot possibly go through 5 or 6 different techniques without utter confusion. So I have a very specific way, but if you have something that works for you and you are consistently getting the right answers every time, then you're welcome to use another technique. I don't really have much to say. I have not heard from many people in this class. A couple of remind messages, but if you have any questions or any issues, please send me a remind message or an email and I will follow up with you. I cannot encourage you enough not to wait until the last minute to complete any assignment in this class, because if you wait till Tuesday night, there's often a glitch for someone. So make sure you're kind of checking things out early in the week, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and try to work on it some over the weekend so that if there's an issue, you can bring it to me before Tuesday night at midnight. Okay? Hope you have a good week. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks.